LiveMessage to quickly contact the parents of participants that are unexpectedly absent. Click the Reports menu and select the Send Email Text Letter category. Open LM10 Unexpected Absence Notice. Keep in mind that the persons responsible for entering attendance must use the absence reason unexpectedly absent for participants whose families need to be contacted. Select the appropriate program term, site, and classrooms. Use the enrollment status Enrolled. Click Preview. Send message. Click OK. Child Plus will notify you that the messages were sent successfully and provide a list of parents who will not be contacted electronically so that you can contact these parents individually. Be on the lookout for the next #CPsmart video.